Hello everyone. Let's welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about the number how to find out the number of elements of any order in any group. Okay. So the first question says that number of elements of order 9 in the direct product of a group Z9 cross Z3. So here they have given you the group which is Z9 cross Z3 and you have to find out the number of element of order 9 in this group. For that, you have to use the result. The result says that number of elements, you have to use this result, number of elements of order D. Here, so in the given question, the D is 9. In which group? In the group Zm cross N, it is nothing but summation of D pi of D1 into pi of D2. So what is pi here? Pi is nothing but it is a Euler's function. It is your Euler's function. Then they have given you, so this D is nothing but LCM of D1 comma D2. You have to choose the D1 and D2 in such a way that you should get the, if you take the LCM of that, you should get the D. D is your order which is already given. So, and that D1 must divide your M and the D2 must also divide your M. You have to choose the D1 and D2 in such a way that it must divide your M. See, they have given you the group that is a Z9 cross Z3. Okay. And compare this given group with Zm and Zn. So what will be the value of M? The value of M will be 9 and the value of N will be 3. Right? So here we got the value of M and 9. So what are the possible divisors of M? Factors. Divisors means factors. What are the factors of 9? The factors of 9 are 1, 3 and 9. Factors of N are 1 and 3. Now you have to make the pair in such a way that you have to make the pair of divisors in such a way that you should get the D. That is your, if you take the LCM, you should get the 9. So, first I am taking the LCM. I have to choose the D1 and D2 in such a way that D1 and D2 must be divisor of your 9. So, if I take the 1 first, then if I take the second element is also 1. D1 value is 1 and D2 value is also 2. Whether the LCM is 9? No. So, we should not use this combination. Let's take the second combination. LCM D1 value has a 1 and D2 value has a 3. If I take the LCM of 1 and comma 3, whether it is 9? No. So if D value is 9, if it is not equal to D equal to 9, then you should not take this combination. Then second, we have to take the third combination. Let's 1 comma 9. So what is the LCM of 1 comma 9? That is 9. So you have to take this. Because it is equal to D, we have to consider this combination. Let's check the another combination. LCM of 3 comma 1. Whether the LCM of 3 comma 1 is 9? Because why we have to take the 9? Why have to find out the 9? Because we have to find out the elements of order 9. So it is not equal to 9. So you should not. The next one is, let's choose a combination LCM 3 comma 1 we have already seen. 3 comma 3, its LCM is also not 9. So its LCM of 3 comma 3 is 3. It's not equal to 9. So again we should not take this pair. Next is LCM of 3 comma 9. LCM of 3 comma 9. 3 comma 9. LCM of 3 comma 9 is 9. So we can take this. So here we got two possible conditions. That is, one is LCM of 1 comma 9 is 9. Another one is LCM of 3 comma 9 equal to 9. So let's find out the, after getting the D1 and D2, you have to find out the pi of D1 into pi of D2. So first of all, let's find out the pi of D1 and pi of D2 into pi of D2 for this combination, the first combination, that is pi of 1 into pi of 9. So pi of Euler function of 1 is nothing but it is always 1. Now Euler's function of 9. How we are going to find out the Euler function of 9? So 9 can also be expressed as 3 square, and we know that 3 is your prime number. We have to use this result. If p is prime, pi of p raised to n is nothing but it is always equal to p raised to n minus p raised to n minus 1. So p is your 3, okay? P is your 3. Pi of 3 square is pu value is 3. So pi of 3 square it will become 3 square minus 3 raised to 2 minus 1. 3 square means 9. 9 minus 3 it will become 6. Then the next one is for second combination. The second combination is LCM of 3 comma 9 equal to 9. We have to find out the pi of d1 into pi of d2. So pi of 3 will be, again we have to use this result. Pi of any prime number, Euler's function of any prime number is p minus 1. It will become 3 minus 1. Then pi of 9 value is already 6. We have already calculated. Then 2 into 6 it will become 12. So here we got two combination of your LCM will be 9. So we have to add all that. So here it will become number of elements of order 9 in Z3 is nothing but equal to pi of 1 into pi of 9 plus pi of 3 into pi of 9. So what is the value of pi of 1 into pi of 9? That is 6. What is the value of pi of 3 into pi of 9? That is 12. So 6 plus 12 it will become 18. So the number of elements of order 9 in Z9 cross Z3 is 18.